Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to send money on PayPal using GCash. First, make sure both your GCash and PayPal accounts are completely verified to avoid any transaction issues. Next, open the GCash application on your smartphone. Once the app is open, simply log in securely using your unique 4-digit MPIN. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and successful transfer process, setting the foundation for your transaction. Now, let's link your accounts. Inside the GCash app, find the Cash Out or Bank Transfer section. From there, choose PayPal as your preferred method for transferring funds. You'll then be prompted to enter your PayPal email address and password to securely link the two accounts. Complete any additional verification steps, such as a one-time password, to finalize the connection. This secure link is essential for enabling seamless transfers between your GCash and PayPal wallets. With your accounts linked, you can now initiate the transfer. Simply input the precise amount of money you intend to send from your GCash wallet to your PayPal account. Before proceeding, carefully review all the transaction details displayed, paying close attention to any service fees that may apply. To authorize the transfer, you will need to enter your GCash MPIN. The transaction typically processes within a few minutes, so please be patient. After initiating the transfer, promptly check your PayPal account to confirm the funds have arrived. It's always a good practice to keep a record of your transaction reference number for future reference. Remember to be mindful of any daily or monthly transaction limits that might apply to your account. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the customer support teams of either GCash or PayPal for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.